Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Dinkle before you to bring you breaking news from Punjab, where Shromani Akali Dal, the regional party of Punjab, going solo for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, has announced its first list of candidates on the occasion of Khalsa Sirjana Divas as the most situated day to sound the poll bugle. As the Shromani Akali Dal has told in their Twitter post, where they have listed 7 candidates for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The first name on the list is that of Daljit Singh Cheema, has been nominated from Gurdaspur, which has already seen one more candidate, that is Dinesh Kumar Babu from Bharatiya Janata Party. The second name on the list is that of Prem Singh Chandu Majra from Sri Anandpur Sahib, that has won another candidate from Aam Aadmi Party, that is Malvinder Singh Kang. Third name on the list is of N.K. Sharma from Patiala, which has already seen 2 candidates, one from Aam Aadmi Party and another from BJP. From BJP, it is Parneet Kaur, recent turncoat from Congress, and from the Aam Aadmi Party in Patiala, current Health Minister Balbir Singh will be contesting the elections. Fourth name on the list is that of Anil Joshi from Amritsar, which has again seen 2 more candidates, which is one Kuldeep Singh Taliwal from Aam Aadmi Party and Taranjeet Singh Sandhu from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Fifth name on the list is of Bikramjeet Singh Khalsa from Sri Fatehgarh Sahib, and followed by Rajwinder Singh from Faridkot, that has already seen 2 more candidates. One is our Hansraj Hans, incumbent MP from Delhi Northwest, and Karamjeet Anmol from Aam Aadmi Party. 7th name on the list is of Iqbal Singh Junda from Sangrur, which is now home state of the Chief Minister, and Aam Aadmi Party has nominated current Minister of Youth Affairs Meet Hair from that seat, and Sangrur is yet to see Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party candidate. As the Lok Sabha elections approached nearer, Shromani Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal took to the social media and announced a list of 7 senior leaders of the party as candidates for the upcoming parliament elections of 2024. The Shromani Akali Dal wrote, choosing the historic and pious occasion of Khalsa Sirjana Divas as the most suited day to sound the poll bugle, he released the first list of candidates as below. The first name on the list is of Daljit Singh Cheema, former Education Minister, has been now nominated from the Gurdaspur Lok Sabha seat. Second name on the list is that of Prem Singh Chandu Majra from Sri Anandpur Sahib, from where he has already contested elections twice and has won seats. Third name on the list is of N.K. Sharma from Patiala. Fourth is Anil Joshi from Sri Amritsar Sahib. Fifth one of Bikramjeet Singh Khalsa from Sri Fatehgarh Sahib, followed by Rajwinder Singh, grandson of late Gurdeep Singh Badal from Faridkot, where he will be contesting the upcoming elections against Hansraj Hans and Karamjeet Singh Anmol. When 7th name on the list, that is the concluding name, is of Iqbal Singh Junda from Sangrur, where he will be contesting the upcoming Lok Sabha elections against the current minister Meet Hair, and the 2 candidates from Congress and BJP are yet to be announced. So big news of the day is out. Shromani Akali Dal has listed out 7 candidates for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. These 7 names are Daljit Singh Cheema from Gurdaspur, Prem Singh Chandu Majra from Anandpur Sahib, N.K. Sharma from Patiala Lok Sabha constituency, Anil Joshi from Sri Amritsar Sahib, Bikramjeet Singh Khalsa from Fatehgarh Sahib, Rajwinder Singh from Faridkot, and Iqbal Singh Junda from Sangrur. Now 7 names out of the 13 Lok Sabha seats are out. The remaining seats, that is Jalandhar, Ludhiana, and many more are yet to be ascertained by the Shromani Akali Dal. That's all for now. For more updates, stay tuned to the Savera.